Welcome back, guys. We're downtown Harlingen. See what's up. I'm gonna start from this way, from Jackson Street side, from all the way that way. So we got the SL Chevelle, we got El Camino, we got the Shelby GT350 right here. We got the Catfish, we got the Nissan, I think it's a Nissan. Then we got this more Shelby. Let me take a quick picture of this one real quick. We got the old school Mustangs. We have another Shelby GT500, but this is like the 2012 version of it. We got the GMC. This is a long walk, so I might pause and cut. Earlier there was a purple Huracan STO here. Oh yeah, we have the Corvette and that stuff. Now this is the thing I was looking at. The new 2020 GT500. Man, I want one. I want to see inside. I never saw one inside. Look at that. Got the Brembo brakes. We got the dual exhaust. I mean, the dual exhaust with the quad tips. We got the Mark 1 right here too. Then we have more Mustangs. We got another Shelby with the SVT wheels.
Oh, that's cute.
But yeah, and this is the original Cobra Shelby. Then we got the old. We got the old school Mustang. The 72 Mustang right here. We got the Jeeps. We got the lowriders. We got the Beetles, the Volkswagens. Man, I really want to record the Lamborghini. We got the Jeeps, we got the Ohana off-roading. We got the Pontiac Firebird. More Firebird, the Trans Am. This is the LX. Then we got the more old school cars. Then we got the Camaro SS. The 69. So if you want to see the pictures and that stuff, I'm gonna post it on my Facebook page, on my Instagram page, and yeah. And I forgot how it feels to look at old cars. It's been a while because every time I was a little kid, I was go to the car shows in Illinois and that stuff with my dad. Get the Fox body. Look at this Corvette, the Saint, the C8. And look how I found. I have Greg. His car is over here too. It's all over there, like all at the end. And you guys will see it. Like the C8, I mean C8, C7, but the Stingray. There's so many beautiful cars out here. This reminds me like when Bonnie Collide's car right here. I forgot how, I didn't know what car they drove, but this is a Plymouth Deluxe in 1938. You got the old school Challenger. Back to my Zoom one. There you go. Yeah, like had to get in. It was like $10 for donate 10 cans. This is gonna be for a good cause. I think it's for the veterans or something like that. It was a good cause. We got a season, I think. Ooh, in 19, no, not this one. It's not 1966. I don't know what car is this. It's a Chevy, but I don't know what is it. Oh, it's a 1951 Subaru. An old school Subaru. Old school. Now this is what I was looking at. This is the 1966. The Nova. You got the LS3 in there. A newer motor. We got another Chevy truck. Look at this green. This green looks so nice on this truck. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's a nice green. Let's look on the other side where the driver. Oh yeah, this one went to the shop, I guess. The summer shop. It's purple. Accord, sorry guys. Look at this, another Camaro, but with the 67 Camaro. We get the Supra. They got the Go Army dually. The dually. Look at that RX-7 right there. With the turbo. This is a car I see like every day in Harlingen, basically. We got the Ricardo seats. Then we got the V8 Corvette. We got the Bronco. And then we got the Chevy version of the Bronco. I forgot what this, I think it's still C10, I think. I don't know. I forgot the old Bronco was called. I mean, the Bronco, the Chevy version was. You get the Impala. Sweet. I guess it's a good day. Cloudy day. We got these nice, beautiful cars for sale. Then I love these two. That's how the flame looks. In 1934 Chevy. And this is another 1940. But look at that in there. Chrome out. We got the Skydys. We got the Red Eye. You guys already saw these from last year's. And look at Greg. Greg got a new car, like I said. But this time it's the U-Haul. He did a U-Haul Let me take a picture real quick of his. Send that to him later. Then we have another Voodoo GT Chevy 350. But this is a and that's it, guys. And then we got this General. Hello, General. But look at in here. The cord's always in the way.
You love grandma?
Okay. Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog, I guess. And see you guys the next one. Next week I got 2 more vlogs planning out, depending how the day go. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Yeah, hold up. Yeah, I guess, yeah, this is it. I'm so lost right now. I'm so excited. It's hard to tell because it makes me happy and that stuff. Seeing these cars like these, like old school, like you could tell how automotive years went through. Like how nowadays everyone's electric cars. I know all the companies are doing eco-friendly or electric cars, and a lot of people don't like it. Some people do, some people don't. Yeah, I guess this is the end of the vlog, guys. See you on the next one.